Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Today I'm participating in another collab being hosted by Miss V and Kenya's Decor Corner. I'll put links to their channels as well as the playlist down below when it's available. This collab is called the Slow Cooker Challenge, and it is for us to share a recipe that we make in our slow cooker, pressure cooker, Instapot, any sort of kitchen tool that's meant to make meal prep a lot easier in our busy lives. So I'm going to share with you one of the easiest recipes that I make in my slow cooker, and I hope you enjoy it. So here are the ingredients that you will need for this recipe. I told you it's very easy. I use these Kirkland Italian style meatballs from Costco, but you could use any kind of meatballs, frozen meatballs that you would like, even homemade ones. And then I use this Alfredo sauce from Trader Joe's. And this actually will turn into Swedish meatballs. The Alfredo sauce ends up mixing with the juices from the meatballs, and it makes a nice, rich sauce for the meatballs. And what you do is you want to spray the inside of the crock pot with some spray oil, or you could use regular oil and just rub it along the inside, or you could use a crock pot liner. And then you pour in the amount of meatballs that you want, and I'll show you that when I get ready to do that. And then you pour the jar of Alfredo sauce over the top of it, and then set it on low for 3 to 4 hours. It depends on how much you're using of the meatballs. If you're preparing this for a party in a big crowd and you want to fill up the entire crock pot, then you would want to layer it, and also you probably want to use a second jar of the sauce just to make sure you have enough of the sauce when you're done. But I'll show you what mine looks like, and I normally set it on low for 3 to 4 hours, like I said, or if I'm doing a big batch and getting ready for a party, I might set it on high for 3 to 4 hours, or low for around 6 hours. So that's it, and stay tuned for the finished product. So this is the amount of meatballs I typically use. This provides enough for my husband and I to have dinner, and then some leftovers for lunch the next day. Or it will serve 3 to 4 people if you are making it in one batch for family and don't want leftovers. And here's a look at the sauce on top of the meatballs. It looks like a lot of sauce, but there's another layer of meatballs underneath, and the sauce will melt down along with the juices from the meatballs mixed together and make a nice coating for the meatballs. When it's all done, I will show you how that looks. My crock pot has a feature that once it's done cooking, it will go onto this keep warm setting. So I can cook the items as long as they need to be cooked, and you can see I've set my crock pot for 4 hours in this case, and on low. And then if we aren't able to get to eat it right at the 4-hour mark, it will keep them warm until we are ready to eat. So the meatballs are just about done, and I'm going to stir them up. And here's what they look like all stirred up. Yum yum. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing my very easy recipe. And please make sure to check out both Miss V's and Kenya's Decor Corner channels, as well as the playlist of the participants. I'm sure you'll come up with some yummy ideas for making recipes in your slow cooker, pressure cooker, or Instapot. Thanks again for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time. If you're new to my channel, I post videos at least twice a week, Tuesdays and Thursdays, on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. So I hope you will consider subscribing by clicking the subscribe button down below, and also clicking the notification bell so you'll be notified when I post new videos. And if you like this video, for both new and old subscribers, I hope you'll give me a thumbs up and leave a comment down below on what you thought of my recipe. Thanks again. Bye-bye.